Have you ever tripped or slipped and reached a point of no return in which you have to break your fall? As much as it might hurt, there's a safe way to break your fall. I'm going to show you two ways. The first is going to be if you're falling face first. The idea is to catch yourself with your forearms. Your forearms covers more ground, distributing the weight a lot more evenly, and you'll also save your wrists. Stand at arm's length, step forward, and catch. The main goal is to keep your face from hitting. Start very slowly. Now for falling backwards, we're going to practice from the bed. We're going to slowly let ourselves fall from a standing position, but we're going to tuck our chin, roll our upper back forward, and spread our arms to the back to break our fall. Again, the goal is not to allow our head to swing back. You can modify it from a seated position if standing is too much at first. Remember, practice safely. There's always a risk involved. Don't do this if you know that you can't yet. Start with my gentle mobility exercises first. And watch my video on how to prevent falls before they actually happen.